Hello everyone, I want to warn everybody. Right now, mayroon po akong isang client na nagtratrabaho ng cash job pero tourist visa holder siya. Now, nagtiwala siya sa isang niyang kapilipinuhan. And alam niyo ba na isinumbong siya tapos kinatok siya sa sinabi niyang tirahan niya. Tapos yung CBSA or Canada Border Service Agency officer, kinatok siya, pumunta siya sa kanyang bahay and inas siya kung pwedeng lumabas. Ngayon hindi siya nakita. Now, ang ginawa, tinanong kung nasaan siya. Of course, the family were so afraid, the family were so scared of lying. So sinabi nila kung nasaan siya nag-work. So be very careful everyone. Pag mahilig po kasing magtanong ang mga Pilipino dito, kapag nakakita sila ng kapwa Pilipino, oy, anong trabaho mo? Oy, magkano sweldo mo? Uy, anong status mo dito? That is the normal question ng isang Pilipino. It is unethical, pero tinatanong nila yan. However, what I can suggest, you should protect yourself. Huwag kayong magtitiwala sa mga nagtatanong ng ganyan kasi in the first place, why are they asking that? May LMIA ka na ba? Meron ka na bang employer? May nag-sponsor na ba sila? Pag ganun yung mga questions sa'yo, that means meron silang intention sa'yo. So be very careful. Protect yourselves, everyone. Sa lahat ng tourist visa holders, pagka nagsumbong sila sa CBSA or Canada Border Service Agency, hindi yan pababayaan ng CBSA kasi nga may nagsumbong. So be careful, and also sa mga kapamilya ninyo at saka sa mga posting ninyo sa inyong social media, please be careful. Anybody can actually look up to your social media accounts kung anong ginagawa nyo doon. It is not bad to post kung saan kayo namamasyal, kung saan kayo kumakain or whatever things, pero hindi po maganda na nagpo-post kayo, na nagtratrabaho kayo, na kung saan kayo nakadestino and everything. So that's just my warning kasi it's happening. Hindi pa naman talamak. But again, it's better to be safe. And of course, find a way in order for you guys to be sponsored para ma-change yung inyong tourist visa to work permit. However, hindi pa rin kayo legally can work to your employer without the approval of work permit, without the changing of tourist visa to work permit. So be careful everyone. Again, this is Norlene Olugasarma, your licensed immigration consultant. Have a great night. Bye-bye.